A lot of babies are eating but not gaining weight, and most times it is not because they are not eating enough. It is because the food itself is not calorie dense. This simple creamy milk changes that completely. Let's make it together.
Welcome to Chubby Baby's Kitchen, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!
First, we'll take a ripe avocado full of healthy fats that help with weight gain. Give it a quick wash, then cut it into half to ensure that it is very ripe. Avocados are naturally creamy, rich in calories, and packed with nutrients like potassium and vitamin E, which supports healthy growth and brain development. Now we move to Irish potatoes, another amazing ingredient for high-calorie baby meals. Start by washing each Irish potato thoroughly to remove any dirt, then peel them carefully, making sure we get all the skin off. Irish potatoes are naturally rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber, which help your baby feel full and provide steady energy throughout the day. They are also packed with vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin C, which support healthy growth, immunity, and eye development. Now, once you're done with peeling the Irish potato, chop them into small, manageable pieces. This will make them easier to blend smoothly with the other ingredients. Irish potatoes are very mild, so they do not require a lot of time while cooking them. And they are super healthy as well. Now, once you are done with chopping them into small bits, you have to transfer them into a bowl and set them aside because we are going to create a creamy, nutrient-packed meal that babies love. Hey Chubsters, welcome back to Chubby Baby's Kitchen. If you're just joining us for the first time, this is Chubby Baby's Kitchen, and on this channel we talk about healthy weight gain recipes, nutrition tips, motherhood lifestyles, and everything that makes motherhood so easy. If you have not subscribed yet, please do well to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you. Next, we add 1 cup of oats, a nutritious fiber-rich base that gives your baby energy and supports healthy digestion. Oats blend beautifully with anything that you add it to. Now, we also have 50 to 70 grams of almond. Almonds are packed with healthy fat, protein, vitamin E, and minerals. To make the almond easier to blend and release their nutrients, pour in a little water and let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. This softens them, helping them to create a creamy texture that is easier for your baby to digest. Now, once the almond are softened, we are ready to combine them with all of the other ingredients and make rich high-calorie baby meals that our babies would love. Now we pour the chopped Irish potatoes into the pot and let them start cooking. You will notice how quickly they soften and steam up. Perfect for a creamy blend later. Now while the potatoes are cooking, add the oats into the potatoes and bring them to a boil. Allow them to simmer and cook. I remember a mom sharing with me that she struggled to get her little one to eat enough calories, but when she started preparing her oats this way, mixing them with soft sweet potatoes or Irish potatoes and almond, her baby actually finished the whole bowl. Now, add the soaked almond into the mixture. See how they blend naturally with the potatoes and oats. It is so satisfying to watch everything come together. Finally, add a small knob of unsalted butter, and as this butter melts, the aroma is going to fill your kitchen. Please take note that I mentioned unsalted butter. Don't use any other kind of butter for your baby. You can use President unsalted or you can use any other one, okay? It is amazing how something so simple like this can make feeding time so much easier and more enjoyable. Stir everything gently and let it cook evenly and get ready for the next step. Remember the avocado we opened at the start of the video? It is now time to scoop out all of it. So transfer all of the avocado into a bowl. See how creamy and delicious this avocado is looking like. If you're a mom here and you're seeking for solution to help your baby to gain weight, avocado is one fast solution. Next, we need a sweetener for our meal, and here we are adding date powder. This particular product is from Maki Healthy Food. It is one of the best brand in Nigeria. If you're looking for a natural way to sweeten your baby's meal, this is a very perfect choice, and you can only get it from Maki Healthy Food. The link to purchase this all natural date powder is in the description box, and it will also be in the comment section. Do well to grab a pack for your family today. Next up is our milk, and here I am using full cream milk, but you can use any type of milk, breast milk, formula, or whatever your baby prefers. Once all of the ingredients are ready, bring down the pot of Irish potato from the fire. Let it cool down a little bit before transferring them into the blender so it doesn't damage your blender. Now combine everything into the blender. You have to go in with your milk first because you need a liquid base to help the blender to blend. Then go in with your date powder, go in with your avocado, then the base of the mixture, which is the Irish potato and oat combo. Transfer everything into the blender. See, if your baby is really losing weight and you have been preparing oatmeal like plain oats, guys, try this. Just try this and see for yourself. This is 100% tested and trusted. It will help your baby to put on weight from 2 weeks. I beat my chest to this. This is what I fed my children when they were still very little, and the weight gain is on another level. And if you want it to be even faster, go ahead and add Maki Healthy Food Chubby butter. You have increased the power by 3. Like, it is all natural fast weight gain recipe that will help your little one put on weight very fast. And just like that, you've got a creamy, rich, high-calorie meal that is ready to delight your little one. Once your mixture is smooth, pour it into your baby's bowl. Guys, look at that creamy, rich texture that is ready for your little baby to enjoy. Serve it fresh and watch as your baby digs into the flavor, the creaminess. It is very hard not to love. If there is any leftover, transfer it into an airtight container and store it in the freezer. This way you can enjoy it later without losing any texture or flavor. And anytime you want to give it to your baby, just bring it out, double boil it or tow it, and then your baby food will be ready. This meal is perfect for babies from 6 months and above, especially if you're looking to give them a creamy high-calorie dash to support healthy growth. You can serve this meal for breakfast, lunch, or even a snack in between meals. And if you want, you can also freeze them in different portions and give them as snacks later. So if you're looking for a perfect meal to act as snacks for your baby, this is an amazing one. It keeps them well and makes feeding time much easier. And with regular feeding, about twice or once a day, you may start seeing healthy weight gain changes in your baby within 2 weeks of consistent use. Yeah, consistency is the key. Guys, if you enjoy this recipe and you want more baby meals like this, let me know in the comment section. Your feedback helps me to know what you want to see next. And while you are at it, don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. So scoop, serve, or freeze and watch your baby enjoy a creamy, nutritious, high-calorie meal that supports healthy growth. Try it out and drop a comment. Let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.